Alright, we'll see how this camera picks this up, which doesn't ever give no justice for what it really is, but there's just the headlights. There's the light bar. And it's really not showing how far down to the side it really goes, but it goes really far down to the side. There's just my lights. And there's the light bar. Alright, well, I'm going to do a little one right here too. Show what it looks like with them off, and then now with them on. Lightens up everything. They really, really kick. Last time. And this camera doesn't really pick up exactly what it looks like, but it gives you a good idea. There's the light bar on, light bar off. And my headlights just don't do justice in there on how much they really are. And I'll put my low beams back on, which takes the HIDs a few minutes to kick in. But there's the LEDs back on.